Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel EduVibe. In today's lesson, we are doing the next topic of the Unit D grade 11 chemistry. We are doing today is the solution stoichiometry. We already done the gravimetry stoichiometry and the gas stoichiometry, and we're doing this today. We're doing the solution stoichiometry, which is the last stoichiometry. And this stoichiometry is basically connected to the concentration formula. We used that formula already in the previous unit. C is the 2 n upon V. C is the molar concentration in moles per liter. N is the chemical amount in moles, and volume is in liters. So, solution stoichiometry is the application of the stoichiometric principles to substances in solution. When we're doing the substance in the solution thing, we are going to know about the solution stoichiometry. We again use the previous formula. There's no any new formula in this. So, that's all. We just start with the questions now. So the first question says, in an experiment, a 10.00 ml sample of the sulfuric acid reacts with completely with the 15.9 milliliters of 0.150 moles per liter potassium hydroxide solution. Calculate the amount concentration of the sulfuric acid. Basically, you have to find the concentration of the H2SO4. So we have to write the equation. So H2SO4 aqueous reacts with KOH solution, which is in aqueous, will give you, so it's a double displacement. So K2SO4 aqueous plus H2O, which is in liquid. So it's balanced in this equation. So this is 2 over there and 2 over there. Done. So what things we have? So in the terms of KOH, we have the volume given. So 15 ml, which is basically the 0.0159 milliliters. You have to find in liters. You also given the concentration of 0.150 moles per liter. You can find the N from here, which is C times V. You know this, which is now N is equal to C times V. So C we have 0.150 moles per liters. Multiply this by 0.0159 liters. So N is equal to 0.002385 moles of this. So that's the N you have given, but you can't find the in this you have a volume. This is 10.00 ml. In liters, you will get about 0.01 liters. You have to find the concentration of this. You don't have N, but you have N over there. So you can do the same thing we're doing in the gravimetry stoichiometry. So N for H2SO4 is basically 0.002385 moles. Multiply with by required upon given, so which is 1 upon 2. So basically you get 0.00111925. This is for N2 H2SO4, which is sulfuric acid. Now you find this. So 0.00111925, divide this by 0.01 liters. Basically you will get 0.119 moles per liter. And this is the concentration in 3 seconds. So this is over there, this is over there. Done. So main thing is to find this, but you have to do a lot of work to go over there. So that's all what you have to do, and you get the answer for this. So next question we have kind of different. So what volume now we have to find volume. So 14.8 moles per liter of NH3 is added for the ammonia to react completely with the 1.00 kiloliters of the 12.9 moles per liter H3PO4 aqueous to produce ammonium hydrogen phosphate. So we have two things. We have ammonia, and then we have a H3PO4 aqueous, which made the ammonium hydrogen phosphate. You have to be careful to make the chemical formula for this, which is NH4. This is whole is 2, and we have a HPO4 left with that. Done. We don't have anything with this. So for this thing, we have a volume given, which is 1.00 kiloliters. But for to calculate things, you have to find in the liters. So it's 1000 liters. Done. You have a concentration, which is 12.9 moles per liter thing. You have to find the N from here. So C times V. So C, we have 12.9 moles per liters. Multiply with by 1000 liters. So you will get 12900 moles. From here, you have the concentration given. You have to find the volume of NH3, and you have to find the N first. So to find the N, you can do the again same thing you done in the previous one. So you use the derivative stoichiometry. So this thing multiplied by the required upon given 2 divided by 1, and this is equal to basically 25800 moles. You can find it over there. Now you put things over there. So you can already find the n from here. So for that C is equal to n upon V, and that V is equal to n upon C. So n upon C, n is 25800 moles divided by the n, which is 14.8 moles per liter. When you solve this, you get your V of about 1743.2432 liters. This is very big, so you can again convert it into kiloliters, which will give you 1.74 kiloliters. This will give you short answers, and generally you start with kiloliters, so we have to end with the kiloliters too. Done. So that's all for this question, and this is the same again thing. You have to use the solution geometry with the concentration formula. Done. So that's all for this lesson, and we completed 3 stoichiometries now: gravimetry stoichiometry, gas stoichiometry, and the solution stoichiometry. In the next lesson, we are doing the next topic, which is very new for you, the ice tables, which is very important topic. So make sure you watch the lesson too. So that's all for this lesson. Let me see how to vibe learn smart not harder. Please like and subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, let me in the comment section. See you in the next lesson. Till stay with EduVibe.